An update on the deadly roof collapse at a Dominican Republic nightclub. A new criminal indictment shows the owners of the Jet Set nightclub knew the building's roof was shoddy and refused to act. Today, the owners appeared in court for the very first time. As one victim's sister tells us, she doubts they'll ever be held accountable. Jessica Moore reports.
Antonio Espaillat enters the courtroom surrounded by armed officers, followed by his sister Maribel. Prosecutors blame the Espaillats, who owned and managed the Jet Set nightclub, for April's deadly roof collapse that killed 236 people, including 24-year-old Jennifer Contreras.
That was my best friend. We were like really close. Nothing's gonna fill that void. Like nothing's gonna fill that space. I'm going to forever miss my sister.
The bombshell criminal indictment against the Espaillats says the roof collapse was the result of, quote, complete disregard for building and safety laws. It goes on to say they operated the famous club with systematic and gross negligence, which put hundreds of lives at risk. Dozens of victims' families showed up at court Wednesday, including the sister of merengue singer Ruby Perez, who was killed while performing the night of the collapse. Prosecutors say because of the country's outdated legal framework, involuntary homicide was the highest charge they could pursue. The Espaillat's attorney calls the charge appropriate, saying the family had no ill intent.
You changed everybody's life, hundreds of people's lives. You changed. That's what you did. You'll probably get away with house arrest. You're living in the comfort of your own home. So why do I have to now? The comfort of my home has changed. My sister lived with us. We all lived as a family. Her room is empty now.
And that was Jessica Moore reporting. Nearly 200 people were also injured in that collapse. The Espaillats also face more than 100 civil lawsuits filed on behalf of victims and their families.